new AutoDAB USB is an ideal solution for upgrading a vehicle to receive DAB and DAB Plus services. The AutoDAB USB transmits a digital signal from the vehicle's USB port to provide true digital sound. The interface includes both USB A and B connection ports for methods of connection and upgrades, as well as an SMB connection for the antenna. To begin the installation process, take the glass mount antenna and proceed to attach it 15 cm from the top of the windscreen and ensure the earth sheet is attached to the metal part of the pillar. When correctly attached, take the SMB adapter and connect this to the interface. Take the USB connector and attach both ends to the vehicle and the interface, and then stow the AutoDAB USB away for completion. Now that the AutoDAB USB is installed, it will appear on your vehicle's display under the media option as seen on screen. Once accessed, your display will showcase all available DAB radio stations alphabetically.